So it was a few years ago, our mayor, Bill Baird, came to me and asked, hey, what do we think about during COVID, bringing some lights or some type of thing where people can gather outdoors and still recognize the season of Christmas and things of that nature. So we said, yeah, we could probably do something like a light show out there at City Hall, get our kids to do some programming and some designing, and then of course from there it's taken off. I mean, the first year was a 15-foot tree. Mayor Baird asked us to go bigger, so we went bigger, add more elements. We did that, and then he said to add music, so we added music.
Each year we have to figure out what we want that design and what that layout is going to look like. So the students will come together, they'll decide we've got all of these different snowflakes, candy canes, snowmen. How are we going to put them out in a design that we're going to then program?
Some of the elements that were out there, some were purchased. However, the tree was pretty much designed. It's a telescoping tree that goes up to 18 feet currently. Kids get to build it, weld it, that kind of cool stuff, and then plug the lights into everything and then program it.
So once they decide on a layout, they'll come over to the computers and we have an application. We teach them how to program. There's over 18,000 lights at City Hall. So each one of those has to be programmed. So you have to tell it when to turn on and what color you want it to be. So the students will come decide on that design. Each student will take a song that they like and program the lights to react to that song. They can pick each element and tell it what color they want it to be, when to turn on and when to turn off. There's a lot of freedoms. They can make several things turn on at once. They can narrow into one specific thing. It's really up to the student how they want to interpret the song, what colors they want to use. So it's very much a creative process.
Beginning of November, we go out, set up a couple days, all the kids come out, we set up all the different areas, run the wires, test everything, then come back again the following weekend and see what needs to be tweaked, what needs to be changed.
We launched the lights in conjunction with the mayor's tree lighting. To watch the community walk by, hear the comments, hear the fascination that they see with, wow, how did they do that? How does that even come together? We have a lot of our students that will come out and watch the display to see their song. They'll take their family out, so they have a sense of pride in seeing what they've done and watching other people that are walking by to really enjoy the display. Little kids run by and see the lights blinking and start dancing to the music.
Those kids take some pride in to be able to say, hey, we did that. So that's pretty cool.